Good afternoon, everyone. My case report is entitled Complete Resolution of Chronic Allergic Rhinitis After Extended Fasting and Subsequent Dietary Modification, a case report. So this is a case of a 31-year-old female with 10-year history of allergic rhinitis. Signs and symptoms include nasal congestion, rhinorrhea, itching, sneezing, and headache with triggers as house pets, dust, and changes in temperature. Medications included antihistamines and inhaled intranasal corticosteroids. For ARIA classification, it is diagnosed as moderate to severe persistent AR without medications and mild to intermittent with medications. On PE, patient was noted to have allergic shiners, and on endoscopy, a pale boggy turbinates were noted with clear nasal secretions. Subjective nasal airflow is about 50%. Being a medical doctor herself, the patient, she engaged into water-only therapeutic fasting for 4.5 days or about 110 hours and reported that on the second day of fasting, her breathing and subjective nasal airflow became 100% clear for the first time in years. She no longer needed to take antihistamines as well as the nasal steroid spray. There is also a note of disappearance of itchiness, rhinorrhea, and headache. The improvement of nasal symptoms continued to improve until the fasting ended. In interim, the patient noted persistence of symptoms even after fasting. However, she noted recurrence if she consumes simple sugars and high glycemic index carbohydrates, with resolution upon cessation of those food groups. This is the SNOT-22 of the patient pre-fasting, post-fasting, on interim upon intake of high glycemic index foods, and upon intake of low glycemic index foods. This is the summary where we can note a drastic improvement whenever the patient after the patient had fasted and intake of continuously low carbohydrate index foods. For the discussion, AR or allergic rhinitis is characterized by sneezing, watery nasal discharge, nasal obstruction, and itching. This disorder manifests after an allergen is introduced, which triggers an IgE-mediated hypersensitivity reaction. Because of allergen-induced sensitization and inflammation, treatment is usually directed to blunt this hyperimmune response. Allergic rhinitis is under the ARIA guidelines as discussed, and the patient was classified as moderate severe persistent if without medications, and still with mild intermittent even with maximal dose of medications. Medications are usually on step up, wherein class drugs include leukotriene receptor antagonist, antihistamines, and topical steroids regarded as the most effective drug by reducing overall local inflammation through decreased protein synthesis for IgE production, and eosinophilia by inhibiting the secretions of cytokines mentioned above. It is because of these precepts that fasting was considered by the index case as a means to naturally reduce the troublesome inflammatory response. In a review of cellular metabolism and the molecular mechanism and clinical applications of fasting were discussed. It was noted in various papers that it can be done in 1 to 3 weeks under supervision and has been used to address cancer, aging, hypertension, neurodegeneration, and inflammation. In humans, fasting, one of the best known and acceptable benefit of fasting is for rheumatoid arthritis. The pathophysiology of RA is systemic inflammation and more severe, but has an overlap with allergic rhinitis in prostaglandins and leukotrienes production. In a single randomized trial among 27 individuals with RA, there is a significant improvement on clinical and laboratory markers of inflammation, with return of symptoms, with resumption of normal diet, and control of symptoms with vegetarian diet or those devoid of simple sugars and processed foods. Too much caloric intake is too much caloric consumption is a known trigger of inflammation through an erroneous hyperimmune response. Likewise, malnutrition is a known suppressant of immune system. The latter is even the basis why immunosuppressant medicines are being given to counter anti-inflammatory responses. Thus, water-only fasting has been used to decrease or shown to decrease the autoimmune diseases symptom reduction if done within 1 to 3 weeks. For biochemistry of fasting, it is just a metabolic shift from glucose to ketones, wherein after 2 to 3 days of fasting, the patient or the person fasting can sustain its energy coming from ketones. So in conclusion, this is a case of a 31-year-old female with AR with resolution after water-only therapeutic fasting assessed by SNOT 22. It is being presented as a possible adjunct to standard treatment, especially for those who are refractory to standard medicine despite polypharmacy. It is considered to be an underutilized, affordable, and natural intervention to lower inflammation. Importance of dietary intake is also emphasized, and should this be considered, adequate preparation, appraisal, and readiness both for the patients and the participant is advised. Thank you very much.